ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. What we are going to do today? Today we are going to do a poem from 5th standard ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 5ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Which is the poem that we are going to do today is Jaanapadha. So this is the poem that we are going to do today. So we'll start with the poem Jaanapadha. So what is this Jaanapadha? Jaanapadha is basically folk related things where it can be folk dance, folk stories, folk songs, anything. Sorry for the background noise. So we'll start. So as I told, the Jaanapadha is basically folk related things. So how is this folk related things? So we don't know exactly who has written these stories or song. So it's basically, it came from mouth to mouth. So it's like a mouth advertisement. So here is one such song about a child, about a baby, where the mother will describe the baby, how the baby will play, and she'll describe how beautiful the baby is, and also she'll bless the baby. So we'll see the poem Jaanapadha. So first 3 lines. So first I'll read the poem, then we'll sing like a song. The first one is magu, the baby. Hal bedi lage bavatul be. Hal bedi attana. So how you can basically write is, so the 2 words hal bedi. So that is how you will write. Clear? Yes. Most importantly, you should know the Vattakshara. So without Vattakshara and Kagunita, you won't be able to read properly. So if you are not good in Vattakshara and Kagunita, please make sure that you are good in Vattakshara and Kagunita. There are few more workshops are there in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani channel. You can take care of it. You can look into that one. Okay, we'll start. Hal bedi attana. Halu is a milk. Bedi andre he will ask for the milk and he'll cry. So why does he cry? Because he cry for the milk. Because he wants milk. Hal bedi attana. Kol bedi attana. Kol is a stick. So he wants the stick. Adakkoskara also he will cry. The baby will cry for the milk. The baby also cry for the stick. Mosar bedi. So he'll ask for the mosaru. Mosaru is a curd. Kesara tulidana. Kesaru andre the sand. Okay. Mud. Basically mud. Okay. So adanna tulitane. So he will walk on the kesaru. So where the saggy mud, also which is mixed with the water. Okay, the saggy things. He will stamp on it. Kandayana kusulada gejje kesaraitu. Kandayana. So the baby's kusulada. Kusula is a the beautiful anklet. Anklet is a gejje. Kesaraitu. Because of that it became muddy. The beautiful anklet become muddy because in these 3 lines the mother is saying that the baby is very naughty. So what and all he does? Hal bedi attana, kol bedi attana. He'll ask for the milk, he'll cry. He'll ask for the stick, he'll cry. Mosar bedi kesara tulidana. He'll ask for the curd. If you won't give, what he will do? He will stamp on the mud. He will go and roll in the mud. Mosar bedi kesara tulidana kandayyana kusulada gejji kesaraitu. Because of that he rolled in the mud. His beautiful anklet got spoiled. It became muddy. So this is the first 3 lines. Okay. So this is how you will sing any of the Jaanapadha song. This is the main form. The second line will be repeated 2 times. Hal bedi attana, kol bedi attana, mosar bedi kesara tulidana. Mosar bedi kesara tulidana kandayyana, kusulada gejje kesaraitu. Fine. We'll go for the next one. Chandha. Beautiful. Havina hede chanda. How is a snake. So when the snake opens the head, so it looks so beautiful. This is called hede. So this part is called hede. Havina hede chanda. Mavina midi chanda. Magu andre mango. So ಮಾವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡಿ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿಡಿ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಗಿಳಿ ಚಂದ. ಗಿಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಟ್. ಗಿಳಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಕಂದಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಚಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಬೇಬಿ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೌಸ್. ಸೊ ಮದರ್, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ comparing a child to a snake's head and ಮಾವಿನ ಮಿಡಿ than a ಗಿಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾವಿನ ಹೆಡೆ ಚಂದ ಮಾವಿನ ಮಿಡಿ ಚಂದ, ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಗಿಳಿ ಚಂದ. ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಗಿಳಿ ಚಂದ, ಕಂದಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಚಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಮನಿ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಮನೆ, ಹೋಮ್. Sorry for the background noise. So I hope you have understood. Havu is a snake, Mavu is a mango, Gili is a parrot. Fine. So this is a chanda, beautiful. We'll go for the last one, harake. Harake is a blessing. The mother is blessing the child. Okay. Elladaru, wherever, iralava. So let him be wherever he wants. Elladaru iralava. Hullagi belayali. Let him grow like a grass. Why like a grass? The grass is the one, how much ever the wind comes, how much ever the rain comes, it won't come out. So it will go here and there, but it will never come out of the root. So the mother is asking the child to grow like a hullu. So whatever comes in your life, you may go about to fall, but you won't fall. So you be so strong like that. So whatever comes in your life, take care of it like a grass. And the mother is saying to the child, Nelli badyagi chigiyali. So let him grow like a nelli bud. Nelli bud andre nellikai andre amla. Okay, gooseberry. So amla buda idalla, the root idalla, how much ever you cut, so it will grow vast agi, strong agi bediyutte. So similarly, even the baby should grow. How much ever failure you see in your life, you should be strong enough to face it. And the mother is blessing the child. Nanakanda, my baby, jayavantanagi belayali. Let him see the victory every time. Anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is a mother blessing to the baby. I'm really sorry about the dog barking in the background. We won't be able to do anything about the barking. It keeps barking every time. Elladaru irallava. Let him be wherever he wants to. Hullagi belayali. Let him grow like a grass. Nelli badyagi chigiyali. Let him grow like a sprout, like a nellikai bada. Nelli badiyagi chigiyali. Nanakanda, nelli baddi, okay. Nanakanda jayavantanagi. My baby, let him be victory in all of his thing. Anta the mother is saying. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರಲವ್ವ ಹುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಾಲಿ, ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ಯಾಗಿ ಚಿಗಿಯಾಲಿ. ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ಯಾಗಿ ಚಿಗಿಯಾಲಿ, ನನಕಂದ ಜಯವಂತನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಾಲಿ. So we'll say all the 3 stanzas now with the song, or we'll just read it. ಹಾಲ್ ಬೇಡಿ ಅತ್ತಾನ, ಕೋಲ್ ಬೇಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾನ, ಮೊಸರು ಬೇಡಿ ಕೆಸರ ತುಳಿದಾನ. ಸೊ ಕೋಲ್ ಬೇಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾನ, I just told a little wrong here. ಕುಣಿಯೋದು, he's jumping for the stick. He's jumping for the stick. ಕಂದಯ್ಯನ ಕುಸಲದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕೆಸರಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾವಿನ ಹೆಡೆ ಚಂದ, ಮಾವಿನ ಮಿಡಿ ಚಂದ, ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಗಿಳಿ ಚಂದ. ಕಂದಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಚಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರಲವ್ವ ಹುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಾಲಿ, ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ಯಾಗಿ ಚಿಗಿಯಾಲಿ, ನನಕಂದ ಜಯವಂತನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಾಲಿ. ಹಾಲ್ ಬೇಡಿ ಅತ್ತಾನ, ಕೋಲ್ ಬೇಡಿ ಕುಣಿದಾನ, ಮೊಸರು ಬೇಡಿ ಕೆಸರ ತುಳಿದಾನ. ಮೊಸರು ಬೇಡಿ ಕೆಸರ ತುಳಿದಾನ, ಕಂದಯ್ಯನ ಕುಸುಲದ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕೆಸರಾಯ್ತು. ಹಾವಿನ ಹೆಡೆ ಚಂದ, ಮಾವಿನ ಮಿಡಿ ಚಂದ, ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಗಿಳಿ ಚಂದ. ಹಾರಾಡಿ ಬರುವ ಗಿಳಿ ಚಂದ, ಕಂದಯ್ಯ ನೀ ಚಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರಲವ್ವ ಹುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಾಲಿ ನೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಿಗಿಯಾಲಿ ನೆಲ್ಲೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಚಿಗಿಯಾಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಂದ ಜಯವಂತನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಯಾಲಿ. So this is the poem Jaanapadha. I hope you have understood the poem. Doubt idre comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ or mail to yashasvikannadavaani@gmail.com. If you don't know particular words, write the words in a paper, take a picture of it and send it to email so that I can send the meaning of that. So thanks for listening. Thanks for your patience. Thanks for following the channel. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ and share with your friends. Share this knowledge. The knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. Okay, so thank you so much. And if you are a beginner, if you are looking for a workshop, then there is a workshop which is already been recorded. Recorded sessions are available. The link is mentioned in the description box. If you are looking for a books for your children, the ebooks are launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. The links are again there in the description box. If you are looking for the spoken Kannada book for the adult, then this is recently launched from Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Even you will find the link for that in the description box. So please find the description box. Please find the link in the description box and check the books and can purchase the book. Happy learning. Thank you so much. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಒಂದಿಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'll meet you all with one more lesson. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.